Alright, well, the project today was to get the electric dug in here to the house. I didn't really get any footage of doing it, but it's all in there. I'm going to walk down there a little bit later. So coming in the house here, this was a little bit of a project, and it's a little dark in here. I apologize, but I ended up digging it down there underneath the footer. You can see it coming in there. 2.5-inch conduit. Just got it run there for now, and then I'm going to end up bringing it up somewhere in a panel box inside the mudroom here. But man, that was quite a project getting that all dug in, just to get everything fit right, you know. Got a long sweep 90 there and straight one going out. So the panel will probably sit about there, and then I'll have lots to work with. Always want to give yourself extra. So this end of the house right here is where it comes out. Got another long sweep 90 here. But yeah, had to go underneath there, so I got to get that all filled in. But I was able to go underneath the footer, at least, so that helped out. So we got some caution tape stapled up about a foot up off the bottom. So yeah, 2.5-inch conduit. Man, overall it was pretty good digging here. Didn't find many rocks. Found a lot of old bricks and garbage, but some glass and nails. But man, overall, yeah, this was really good digging. It wasn't really hard right here, even though it rained. But overall, was really can't complain. And the KX71 Kubota did really good digging this. So got it run over to here. Got it run into the panel box for now, right there in the middle. So got my slip riser in right there. And then this stuff here, these little ones are just kind of temporary for now. I just got it coiled up in there because it's a feed-through panel, so I can't hook it up right now or it would be live inside the house. But I got it all set up there. Had to really do some carving there to get that tucked in tight to the ditch. But the beauty of digging a 24-inch ditch is you got some wiggle room there with the conduit. Yeah, guys, so I'm super excited to have that dug into the house. That's one thing off the list, man. It was a long day getting that done because we also had a guy here measuring for windows and doors, so that really took part of the day. But that's how it goes, you know. Anyway, wanted to wish you guys a good evening and show you the update. Thanks for watching, guys.